Okay, good afternoon, my dear children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
Thank
Yeah,
you, ma'am.
good.
How are
I'm
you?
good. What about you? Have you
Fine,
had
ma'am.
your lunch?
Fine, ma'am.
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
had your lunch? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No. Okay, you can have after this period. Okay. Anyway, today we are going to start a new chapter from geography, and the name of the chapter is the domains of the earth. Major domains of the earth. Look at the chapter 5 in your textbook. Okay, before that, you can take the index page. All of you look at the index page.
Okay, ma'am.
All of you look at the index page. There are
Yes,
8
ma'am.
chapters, right? Yes. So how
Ma'am.
many chapters we had completed? You can take
We
it.
have completed 3
The
and
Earth in the solar system, globe,
Earth in the solar
latitudes and
system,
longitudes,
latitudes and longitudes,
motions of the Earth,
oceans of the
map,
earth,
our country.
maps.
our country.
Yeah.
So again, we have only
3.
3 chapters to
Ma'am, then
complete.
appendix 1 and appendix 2. What's
Ah, that we will discuss later. That is not
It's
important.
information.
Okay, clear. So now we are going to start a new chapter. The 5th chapter. The name of the chapter is
Major
domains
domains of the Earth.
of the earth. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Where do we live, children?
Ma'am, in the earth.
Yeah.
In the Earth.
Look
In
at
the
the
Earth.
Okay. So that we live on the
Earth.
Universe.
we live on the earth. We know that the earth is a unique planet. Yes, the earth is a unique planet.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the earth is known as a unique planet. So why the earth is called as a unique planet?
Because
Tanya,
It has what?
Tanya, question goes to Tanya.
Water and
So this is the question for Tanya. Why the earth is known as a unique planet? Or why the earth is called a unique planet?
Unique planet because it is regarded as a blue planet. It's 3/4 of the surface is filled with water.
Gautam?
Ma'am, also it has air with oxygen, which will lives will survive.
Okay, then Rusin, any more points?
Yes, ma'am. It
Yes.
has a temperature range that supports life.
Hmm.
Um,
Cheryl Mary, Cheryl Mary, why is the earth called a unique planet?
The Earth is called a unique planet because it is covered 3/4 with water. It has life supporting gases and it has a nice climate range which allows life to thrive.
Okay, so we know
Ma'am,
that.
can
Yeah,
I forgot one
Raya?
important point.
Only.
ma'am?
Okay, Jaswin, tell me.
It has life.
Yes, ma'am.
Life.
It's only
Okay.
the
So we
only
know
planet
that the
known to
Earth is
support life.
one of the planet in the solar system, and it is a unique planet in the solar system because the Earth is the only planet in the solar system that supports
Life.
Okay. So the Earth is the only planet in the solar system that support life. We know that the Earth is neither too hot nor too cold. Yes or no?
Yes,
Ma'am.
ma'am.
Then it has water and air. It has water and air. Both are very essential to the human survival, or both are very essential to the survival.
Only temperature.
Yeah, already we discussed about temperature. The temperature of the earth is neither too hot nor too cold, and it has air and water. Both are very essential for the survival. And the air has life supporting gases. The air has life supporting gases, oxygen. Okay,
Carbon.
oxygen. So because of all these reasons, the earth is known as a unique
So that's a unique
planet in the solar system. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, do you have to notice?
Now we are going to discuss about the 4 domains of the earth or 4 areas of the earth. What are the 4 areas of the earth? Look at the board. The first one is lithosphere. Second one is atmosphere. Third one is hydrosphere. And the fourth one is biosphere. So there are 4 domains of the earth. The first one is lithosphere. Lithosphere. Then the second one is atmosphere. Atmosphere. Then the third one hydrosphere. And the last one is biosphere. So these are the biosphere. So these are the 4 domains or 4 realms of the earth. The first one is lithosphere, second one is atmosphere, third one is hydrosphere, and the last one is biosphere. Okay, Ambrose, what are the 4 domains of the earth?
Lithosphere,
Hmm.
atmosphere,
Yes.
hydrosphere,
Hmm.
biosphere.
Biosphere. Very good. Very good. Neha,
Ma'am, can you
Sharat?
tell me what's the first one? Can you repeat it?
Lithosphere. Okay. Pavitra Girish, tell me what are the 4 domains of the earth?
Ma'am, lithosphere, atmosphere,
Yes.
hydrosphere, and biosphere.
Okay. So in the Greek language, okay, in the Greek language, litho means stone. Already we had learned, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So in the Greek language, litho means stone. Atmo means vapor. Okay, vapor. Hydro means
Water.
and bio means
Life.
life. Okay, so these are the 4 domains of the earth. So in the Greek language, litho means stone, atmo means vapor, hydro means water, and bio means life. So there are 4 domains of the earth: lithosphere, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and the last one is biosphere. Clear?
Okay, ma'am. The Greek word of bio?
Bio means life.
Life. Okay, ma'am. Ah, yes, ma'am. Now I
Bio
can
means
see the
life. Okay. Hydro means water.
Like
Atmos
biology.
means vapor. Then the litho means stone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let us discuss about the first sphere of the earth. That is
Lithosphere.
Okay, lithosphere. Okay. The solid portion of the earth on which we live is known as lithosphere. The solid portion of the earth on which we live is known as lithosphere. So solid portion means the hard portion. Okay. The solid portion of the earth on which we live is known as lithosphere. Clear, children? So what is lithosphere?
The solid portion of the earth,
Solid portion. What's the meaning of solid portion?
hard portion.
Okay, the hard top layer. Okay. The hard top layer of the earth is known as lithosphere. I think in the maybe in the lower classes you have learned about the different layers of the earth. Yes or no?
Crust, mantle,
What are 3 different layers of the earth?
crust, mantle,
Crust, mantle,
And core. Okay. So we are living in the crust. We are living in the crust, and crust is the solid portion of the earth. And we are living,
in the crust.
yes, in the crust. Okay. See
Ma'am,
the
can we
crust
take a
of the-
screenshot of this note?
you can take it.
Ma'am, I took it all.
Okay, it is the solid crust or the hard top layer of the earth. So what is lithosphere? Lithosphere is nothing but it is the solid portion of the earth on which we live is known as Lithosphere.
Lithosphere.
Okay, and the lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals. Lithosphere is made up of rocks and minerals.
Mineral.
So what are minerals? Or can you give me an example of minerals?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, calcium. Ma'am, calcium.
Yes.
Calcium is serious.
Potassium.
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 Magnesium.
Iron.
Iron.
Chlorine.
Sodium.
Yes, very good. Iron, bauxite,
Sodium.
copper, gold, aluminium, okay,
Fluorine.
platinum, diamond,
Fluorine.
limestone, mica, gypsum.
Mica.
All these are the examples
Zinc.
of minerals.
Zinc.
So minerals are mostly found in the
Copper.
Lithosphere. Lithosphere.
rocks. Okay, where we can find the rocks? Rocks are found in the lithosphere.
Lithosphere or crust.
Crust.
So what are the different types of rocks? Any idea, children?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
No.
ma'am, there were three of them.
Three are there. Igneous rocks, metamorphic rocks, and sedimentary rocks. No problem about that. You will study in the next
Ma'am,
class.
can we write that?
Igneous rocks,
Ma'am,
sedimentary rocks.
there are three types of rocks.
Yeah,
Yes, three.
metamorphic rocks. Okay, so lithosphere is made up of different types of rocks and minerals. Clear? And it is covered with soil. Here there is a small spelling mistake, not WIT. That is with. Okay, it is covered with soil. So lithosphere comprises rocks of the earth crust and the thin layer of soil. So lithosphere comprises or lithosphere consists of rocks of the earth surface and the thin layer of soil.
Ma'am, thin layer of what, ma'am?
Thin layer of soil.
Okay, ma'am. I can't say about that. Same.
Okay, okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
Can you repeat the types of rocks?
it is already written here. Shane. Who is that? I think Tanya. Yeah.
Amna.
Okay, Amna. Okay, Amna, see, look at the board. Igneous rocks. IGNEOUS, igneous rocks. It is also known as primary rocks. These rocks are found, or these
Sedimentary.
rocks are formed on the with the help of volcanic eruption. No need to worry about this. You will study in the higher classes. Okay. Then second one is
Yes, ma'am, because of the volcano
sedimentary rocks,
fall into
and the third one is metamorphic rocks.
Ma'am, you should write this.
No need to write. No need to write. All these are general information. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is igneous rock and obsidian?
So it has various landforms such as mountains, plateaus, plains, etc. So where we can find these various landforms? These various landforms are found in the lithosphere. Okay. It provides us land, forest, grasslands, and minerals.
Mineral.
Okay, forests are found in the lithosphere. Grasslands are also found in the lithosphere, and minerals. Minerals means a naturally occurring substance with a definite chemical composition is known as a mineral. Okay, there are two types of minerals: metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. Just now I said few examples of minerals like iron, okay,
Potassium.
Copper,
manganese.
copper,
What are the two types of
Diamond.
aluminium, copper.
Got it? Tungsten,
Yes, ma'am.
mica, limestone, gypsum, all these are the
Precious
examples
stones.
of precious stones. Yes, exactly. All these are the examples of minerals. So these minerals are present or found in the lithosphere.
lithosphere?
Okay. So the earth crust is divided into two. The earth crust is divided into two. The first one is oceanic crust and the next one
And
is
continental.
continental crust. Continental crust. You can see continental crust here. Then here you can see oceanic crust. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
The earth surface or the earth crust is divided into two. The first one is ocean, the oceanic crust, and the second one is continental crust. What is a continent? What is a continent?
Ma'am,
A group of countries.
A large piece of land.
Huge land masses. Huge land masses are known as continents. Huge land masses are known as continents.
yes.
And huge water bodies. Huge water bodies are known as oceans.
And some countries.
Clear. Large land masses, huge land masses are known as, sorry, not huge, large land masses. Okay. Large land masses are known as continents. And huge water bodies are known as
Oceans.
and oceans. About this, we will discuss in the coming classes in detail. Okay. What are the continents and what are the oceans? Clear, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Rohit K. Jain. So, what is a lithosphere?
Lithosphere
Hmm.
is the top layer of Earth.
The top layer of Earth. Okay.
Made up of rock and minerals.
It is made up of rocks and minerals. Very good. Pavitra Girish. What is lithosphere?
Ma'am, it is made up of rock, soil, and minerals, and it is the solid crust of the hard top
Okay,
layer
so
of the
we can
earth.
say a simple definition about lithosphere. The
Yes,
solid portion of the earth on which we live is known as
Lithosphere.
Lithosphere.
the second sphere of the earth, that is atmosphere.
It is divided into
Okay, atmosphere. So what is atmosphere?
Ma'am, it is the
thin
protection
layer
of the
of air. It is a thin
layer of air.
air.
it will protect the
The
earth
thin layer of air that surrounds the
from
earth.
harmful
The thin
sunlight.
layer of air that surrounds the earth.
It protects
Ma'am,
from
it
sun's rays.
protects earth from
Earth.
danger.
And it is made up of various gases. It is made up of various gases. What are the various
Hydrogen,
gases?
oxygen.
Hydrogen,
nitrogen,
oxygen, carbon dioxide,
Hydrogen,
carbon dioxide,
Oxygen.
oxygen,
Oxygen, carbon
nitrogen.
dioxide.
Hydrogen,
Along with
nitrogen,
that, we can see some dust particles and water vapor in our atmosphere. So this atmosphere atmosphere is very useful to us. Why? Because it protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. It protects us from the harmful rays of
from
the sun and the scorching heat of the sun. We know that sunlight is very harsh. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So
sunlight,
the atmosphere, okay, the atmosphere helps us from the scorching heat of the sun.
Sunburn.
Atmosphere
And what did you say about the gases?
gases like oxygen,
Oxygen,
Nitrogen.
hydrogen, nitrogen.
okay.
These all are present in the atmosphere.
Yes, all these
Yes.
gases.
Also some dust.
Atmosphere is made up of various gases. Along with the atmosphere, we can see some dust particles. Okay.
And also vapor.
Water vapors. Okay. Anandesh, tell me dear, what is an atmosphere?
Thin layer of air that surrounds the earth.
Okay, very good. The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is known as atmosphere.
Atmosphere.
And atmosphere is made up of various gases, and the atmosphere is really protecting us from the harmful
Extreme heat,
rays of the sun. Okay, from the harmful rays of the sun and the extreme temperature or the scorching heat of the sun. Okay, then the third one, hydrosphere. What is the meaning of hydro?
Hydrogen.
It means
Water.
Hydrosphere means water. So where we can find the water? The presence of water.
On the ocean, sea, lake,
The ocean, lake, pond,
Ocean,
river, and
sea,
stream.
lake, pond, river, and streams.
Yes, ma'am.
So hydrosphere refers to the water bodies.
3/4 of the earth is covered with
Water
water.
bodies. So what is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere refers
Is
to
the
the water bodies that are found
found in the
on the earth's surface. On the earth
surface.
Clear. So hydrosphere is refers to the water bodies that are found on the earth's surface. So we know that our earth is known as blue planet. No, our earth is called as a blue planet.
Because of water.
Yeah, because of the water. Due to the abundant water on its surface. Due to the abundant water on its surface, we know that 70% of the earth is covered with water. Okay, covered with water, and the water is present in oceans,
Seas,
lakes,
lakes,
ponds,
rivers,
and
streams.
streams. And
Yes.
the hydrosphere is the home for many plants
Many plants and animals.
different varieties of animals, different varieties of marine animals are living with the help of the water. Yes or no? Fish, octopus, like that. You know what are the marine animals, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, almost all the animals are.
Eel, megal.
Yes, not only animals, even human beings also.
Swimming, water,
Yes or
megal.
no? Rasul Ben here. Can you live without water?
No.
No. Yes. So water is very essential to us.
Swimming, future.
It is very,
Yes,
very precious. No.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
also.
Yes, ma'am.
Precious than everything.
Yes,
So we
swimming,
cannot imagine
future.
a life without water.
We can even
Ma'am,
We don't have food also, we can't survive water.
ma'am, but in future and all, there will be no use with water.
Let
After
us
some,
see. So
Now
we
I
have to
think,
use the water judiciously. Yes or no? We have to use the water judiciously. We have to preserve for our future generation also.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Then last one. What is
Biosphere.
biosphere?
Biosphere,
What's the meaning
life.
of bio? Bio means
Life.
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 We know that. Biosphere is a narrow zone. It is a narrow zone where land, air, and water interact with each other.
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, you said?
Narrow zone. It is a narrow
Where
zone.
water,
NARROW. Narrow zone.
Where water, air,
Land,
soil,
water, and air interact with each other. Interact.
Combination of hydrosphere,
Yes,
atmosphere,
we
and
can also
lithosphere.
say like that. It's a combination. Interact with each other.
combination of
We know that all the living organisms are interdependent upon each other. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
tiger will depend.
All the living organisms are depending upon this.
Excuse me, ma'am, why did you know that interact?
Interact means it's a narrow zone where the land, water, and air interact.
Interact.
Oh, meet. Okay.
Interact with each other. Clear? To support
Meet with each
life.
other.
To support life.
Meet with each other.
Yeah, meet with each other or interact with each other. So we know that all the living organisms are interdependent upon each other. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is atmosphere?
What is
Yes, ma'am, that's
atmosphere?
atmosphere.
No, ma'am, in the picture it's showing
Yes, about that I will tell you. When I am discussing the topic biosphere, I will tell you what is atmosphere. No need to worry. Clear?
Okay.
Because in this chapter, we are going to discuss about these 4 realms or domains of the earth. Got it, children? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
I will show you a small video.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, what are the 4 domains of the earth?
Lithosphere, atmosphere,
hydrosphere, and
Thank
biosphere.
you. Okay, so dear children, you have to read the textbook. Okay, and underline important
Okay, ma'am.
points. Okay, then
Yes,
we'll
ma'am.
meet you in the next class.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.